guys, my name is Riya and welcome to another episode of DIY. Hi guys, my name is Riya and welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday with Riya. I know I've been not uploading consistently, but कोई बात नहीं, आदत से मजबूर होते हैं कुछ लोग. So, you might have heard about jade rollers, and there's one roller, gouache roller, which pronounce करने भी नहीं आता. So, basically facial rollers. Honestly, every blogger that I follow has one, and I was like, कि ये use किस लिए होता है? And everybody is like using that facial roller, either a roller or a stone. I was like very intrigued and wanted to learn what this thing is. So I searched it on Google and found out these things. You'll be shocked to know about these things. You'll be mind blown. So number one, usage of a jade roller.
Jade rollers, gouache roller, hydrating facial massage rollers.
So they help in blood circulation, they help in reducing the puffiness and reducing the appearance of pores and helps in the absorbing the product more, whatever the product you apply next. So I was like, काफी ज़्यादा काम करता है ये चीज़. And the Sindhi in me. It's such a joke, man. I wish कोई मेरा subscribers for Sindhi हो और उसे ही समझ में आए.
Anybody who is Sindhi watching me, you'll get it.
You'll get it. So the Sindhi in me thought about, why should I invest that much of money in something that is like a stone that is helping me with the blood circulation and reducing the puffiness of my face? So I'll show you my actual eyes. I was like, अभी तो देखी नहीं रही है. So, as I've mentioned in all of my previous videos, my stories on
Instagram, my stories on Instagram, everybody who follows me on Instagram know this thing. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, go follow me. What are you waiting for? Apocalypse आ जाएगा तो जाके follow करोगे.
Never mind, follow me on Instagram. So I do not sleep on time. I'm an insomniac buddy. So I don't sleep on time, and you can see this happening on my face. I have eye bags happening. There's a zit here. Very tired eyes, even though I've slept for more than 12 hours. Still I'm tired. So you can see the problematic areas, the eye bags, and the zits. So as I was saying, the Sindhi in me will not spend that much of amount in a jade roller. So I have to find something that will help in these things. I'll give you a second and I'll be back. See, I just asked for a second and here it is. It has already started to melt. Okay, so take a piece of cloth. I am using my father's handkerchief and take it like this. So you might be wondering what this is. This is an ice cube. Other than using them in your cocktails, you can use it on your face. You should not put it directly on your face. Use handkerchief. अगर आपके पापा के पास भी ऐसा एक handkerchief है, use that. Otherwise, आप कुछ भी tissue paper use कर सकते हैं. Just make sure do not apply it directly on your face. So I was saying, under eye puffiness. Let me tell you more about usage of eyes on your face. So what I'm doing is known as ice therapy. So ice has been proven to help with the blood circulation as well as help in the reducing of wrinkles. So many people like Katrina Kaif. When she wakes up in the morning, the first thing she does is take a bowl full of ice and she dips her face in that bowl of ice, which helps in the blood circulation again and also helps with a beautiful radiant skin. So not only ice helps in the blood circulation, it helps with the reducing of zits appearing on your face as well. Because some people like me could not improve their diet and sleeping schedule, that's why they come up with these DIYs ताकि कुछ तो फर्क पड़ जाए स्किन पे. So you should not keep the ice cube continuously at a place. You should always keep it in a movement so that there is ample amount of blood circulation all over the face. Also should not use it directly because it's cold, so your skin might get irritated at the first moment itself. So always keep a barrier between your face and the eyes. So I usually do this when I'm like getting ready for my shoot, and it gives a nice touch. It gives a nice finish when I apply my foundation and stuff. And also whenever I feel like my skin is getting irritable and I wanted to, calm down my skin, and it really helps in soothing it down. It is one effective method and you can immediately see the results. You can do it every day. You can see the results happening on your face. It helps in reducing the fine lines. At the end of the day, it is one amazing and cheap method. You can help your skin and massage your face and also reduce the tension that is already happening on your face, because we get to accumulate a lot of tension. For example, I'm like all the time on my phone, I'm like watching Netflix all the time, so there's a lot of tension accumulated here. Do this massage on your face, you'll feel refreshed, and I'm not kidding you guys, you should do it. This is really amazing for you guys to even try it. This DIY is for all the people, right? It is not like something only women can do. If anybody can do, because at the end of the day, it's your skin and it's you who has to take care of your skin. So the difference is here in front of you guys. You can do it. You can try it at home. It is really cheap and it is really effective. You do not have to invest in buying jade rollers and stuff. You can go to your kitchen, open the fridge and take out the ice cube. And also you can try many other ways. You can try aloe vera ice cube. You can try cucumber ice cube. You can try mint ice cube, because all these things help in calming down your skin and also help in giving you a radiant glow. And even if you don't want all these things, if you just want to apply something that help you in the reduction of the tension accumulated on your face, you can always go for a basic ice cube, massage it on your face, and it will soothe down your skin. After doing this massage, I apply my moisturizer and finish it off with my sunscreen. Do not forget sunscreen, even if you are 24/7 at your home. So that's it, you guys. I hope you found this DIY effective and helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye.